You're spoiled. You got a lift?
I got a lift.
I only have the scissor lift at my high school shop.
A scissor lift? Oh yeah, the ones on the middle? Yeah. I was like, you can't put a battery with using one of those, right?
Oh, yes.
So you need the ones from the side so that the center's open, so that. And by the way, those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, I have planned to convert electric cars, right? And so you have to install batteries, and usually the best place to put them is underneath in the center. And so if you have a lift that is lifting the car from the center, then you can't really do that. So
yeah, I think what you're doing is really innovative, because a lot of people just put the batteries wherever, but this is different. You're putting the batteries in the floor, which is the best spot for the weight distribution.
Yeah. Not messing around here.